Working at heights is always one of the most challenging aspects of industrial maintenance. Whether it's large storage tanks, ship hulls, or bridge steel structures, rust and old coatings pose significant safety hazards and maintenance challenges. Traditional scaffolding and manual rust removal not only consume a lot of time and money, but also expose operators to risks. It's time to change all that. Introducing the HANTENCNC 500 watts, 1000 watts, magnetic climbing pulsed laser cleaning machine. We have perfectly combined cutting-edge laser cleaning technology with a revolutionary climbing platform to bring you a brand new solution for high-altitude metal surface maintenance. Designed specifically for vertical and curved steel structures, it relies on a powerful permanent magnet adsorption system to stably climb and move laterally on metal surfaces. Operators can precisely control it within a 100-meter range using a remote control, achieving completely zero-risk high-altitude operations. Even welds or protrusions up to 4 millimeters high can be easily overcome. The core of the cleaning is a powerful 500 watts or 1000 watts pulsed laser. Pulsed lasers utilize high-energy short pulses to instantly vaporize and remove all contaminants such as rust, oxide layers, oil stains, and old coatings. The entire process is contactless, requires no consumables, and is pollution-free. HANTENCNC's wall climbing laser cleaning machine is your first choice for improving efficiency and protecting the environment. Whether you need to clean ocean-going ship hulls, oil refinery storage tanks, steel structure bridges, or offshore drilling platforms, it can efficiently complete the task and achieve perfect surface repair.